Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to create a survey. It will be very similar to how you would create an evaluation, as in you need a template or you need to create one from an existing survey. So let's start with creating a template first for a survey. It's in the same place. So you'd go to templates and you would see performance management for evaluation and survey here. So click survey and you will see a link to create a new template here. You do have the option to create two different type of surveys, an internal survey and external survey. As the name implies, internal would mean that you're collecting answers from your internal people or internal staffs, and external survey is for when you're trying to collect information from people outside your organization. So let's focus on just internal survey first for now. And as well, you can also create an internal survey template from another existing template or even another existing process. Let's start blank for now and let's just call it my survey. So it's just taking a bit of a time. And by the way, this is actually done in version 2015. So if you're in version 2014 or earlier, you might see different interface, but the overall functionality should still be the same, even though the version 2015 should have a lot more power and a lot more capabilities and a lot more features in terms of what you can or cannot do in surveys. So very basic, you see the configuration for the survey itself. You can change the parameter, advanced parameters, or delete the template itself once you no longer need it. So this is the parameters and this is the advanced parameters. Again, very basic. You then edit the form for the survey. Again, as you would when you create an evaluation. Very similar. You would create a section. You would then add a list of questions within the section. You can add multiple sections as well. So this is all very similar to you if you're used to creating evaluations. So let's go back here. And the last part in the template is really just the admin access on who should be able to manage this template itself. So once you have the template for the survey, you would go to processes. In the same way, you would see performance management and survey here. So to create our first survey process, let's go to processes survey and we'll click this button called create a new survey. You would see the same thing here where you can create an internal survey process or external survey process. Let's create an internal survey process from a template. This is where I mentioned that you can also create a survey from another existing survey. But in our video, let's focus on creating a survey from a template that we just created. So let's select our template called My Survey. Just so we know whether or not it's internal or external right away, we'll call it my internal survey. Let's start it up with on March 1st and end it at March 31st. Click Add, and there we go. You have your first survey. So if you see that you have a lot more control here now than the template because this is the actual survey process. So you see the reports functionality here. You can edit the form further here in addition of the two sections that we created. You can configure a lot more things for the survey here under the configuration. You can branch it as well depending on the responses of the participants of the survey. You can set the admin access here as well and share the URLs and the access for the report viewer as well, and also some advanced topic on data exchange if you'd like. So in some of my next videos, I will be showing you in details on what these functionalities are. Thank you.